Bargain Hill got hit pretty bad.
You wouldn't let her drive a new car?
I didn't want to drive really. Not tonight anyway.
Yeah,
Sweet on the
recording the noise. Wait, what's that? Is it a tornado? I think it is. We need to get inside. Baby needs a big